The first look at the Pixel 11 Pro XL is finally here, and the reaction is exactly what many expected. Fresh leaks have revealed the design of Google's next big flagship, and at first glance, it feels very familiar. In fact, it might feel a little too familiar. Over the past few weeks, the entire Pixel 11 lineup has slowly leaked piece by piece. It all started with the Pixel 11 Pro Fold, which showed a noticeable change in its camera module, but kept most of the overall design the same. Then came the standard Pixel 11, which introduced slimmer bezels and a slightly refined camera bar. After that, the Pixel 11 Pro appeared, once again sticking very close to the previous generation. And now, the Pixel 11 Pro XL has joined the party. But instead of bringing something fresh and exciting, it continues the same trend of minimal changes and a very safe design approach. Looking at the leaked renders, the Pixel 11 Pro XL looks almost identical to the Pixel 10 Pro XL. The shape, the layout, and even the overall feel of the device remain unchanged. This is not necessarily a bad thing, but it does raise one big question: is Google playing it too safe? One of the only noticeable changes is in the camera bar. This time, the camera bar appears to be completely black from end to end. On the previous model, the camera bar had a dual-tone look that partially matched the back of the phone. Now, the full black finish gives it a cleaner and more unified appearance. It's a small detail, but it does add a touch of elegance to the design. Apart from that, there is very little to talk about in terms of visual upgrades. The dimensions of the phone are also nearly identical to last year's model. Reports suggest that the Pixel 11 Pro XL will measure around 162 7x76, 5x8, 5mm. That's only a tiny difference of about 0.1 mm in height and width compared to its predecessor, while the thickness remains exactly the same. This also means the display is expected to stay the same. A large 6.8-inch screen is likely returning along with similar bezels. So, anyone hoping for a major design refresh or a more futuristic look might feel a bit disappointed here. However, it's important to remember that these are early leaks. While the source behind them has a strong track record, there is still a chance that some small details could change before the official launch. Colors, finishes, and minor design elements could still be updated. For example, the blue color shown in the renders is not confirmed yet and might just be for illustration. When it comes to performance and specs, things start to get a bit more interesting. Even though there are no confirmed details yet, expectations are already building. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is likely to be powered by Google's next generation Tensor G6 processor. This new chip should bring improvements in performance, efficiency, and especially AI features, which have become a big focus for Pixel devices. Battery life is also expected to see a solid upgrade. Rumors suggest a FEF 200 mAh battery, which could make this one of the longest-lasting Pixel phones yet. Combined with software optimization, this could result in a very reliable all-day experience. There is also some discussion around RAM and pricing. The previous model came with 16 GB of RAM, but there are rumors that Google might reduce this to 12 GB in order to keep the price under control. With rising chip costs affecting the entire industry, companies are being forced to make tough decisions. As for pricing, nothing is confirmed yet, but it is expected to stay close to the previous generation. If Google manages to keep the price competitive, it could still have a strong chance in the market, especially when compared to other premium phones that continue to get more expensive every year. The big question is whether this phone has what it takes to stand out. On one hand, it will likely offer top-tier performance, a powerful camera system, and a clean software experience. On the other hand, the lack of design innovation could make it feel less exciting compared to its competitors. Still, not every upgrade needs to be dramatic. Sometimes, refining an already successful design is enough. The Pixel 10 Pro XL was already a very strong device, so building on that foundation could still result in one of the best Android phones of 2026. At the same time, expectations are higher than ever. Users want something new, something that feels like a real step forward. And right now, based on these leaks, the Pixel 11 Pro XL doesn't seem to deliver that wow factor in terms of design. That doesn't mean it won't succeed. If the performance improvements are significant, the camera gets even better, and the price remains reasonable, this phone could still be a big hit. But first impressions matter, and right now, the design feels a bit too safe and repetitive. More details are expected to come out in the coming months as the launch gets closer. Until then, this is the clearest look yet at what Google is preparing for its next flagship. So the question is simple: is sticking to the same design a smart move, or is it starting to get boring? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more latest tech updates.